How to log in into SoundCloud. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, you will learn how you can log in into SoundCloud. And to go about that is very simple. The first step is to log in into your Chrome browser or any browser of your choice, and in the search box type SoundCloud login. All right. For me, I can easily do this because I have an account created already with SoundCloud. So by clicking login, it is very simple. So by clicking SoundCloud login, you'll be brought automatically to SoundCloud's page. If you have your Google account synced to your web browser, a notification would pop up at the top right side, which will ask you to continue with your name. So you can just click that, and then just like that, you'll be able to continue with your name. You can sign in with your name. If not, click on the sign in option. And there are different options here which you can use to sign in or log in. You can continue with Facebook, you can continue with Google, you can continue with Apple, or you can enter in your email address manually and your password. For me, I'm just gonna continue with Google, and after selecting continue with Google, wait for a while to be redirected to the next stage. And then after that, your account has been opened and you are logged in successfully. So this is my account and I am logged in. All right. But if you do not have your email, your Google account synced to your Chrome browser, select email, enter in your email, enter in your password, click login, and then just like that, you'll be logged in into your account. It is that simple. So this is how to log in into SoundCloud. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.